This hair is cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomiwa Adebanjo and you're welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this super cute hairstyle. This is actually a ponytail attachment. I can take it off when I want and I made it myself. So I'm going to be showing you how to make yours by yourself, and I'll also take you through my wash day routine, right? So yeah, if this is something you'd like to see, then please keep watching, and of course subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I literally just rolled out of bed. Okay, I didn't roll out of bed, I've been up for a while, but I've not done anything, which is why I look like this. But don't worry, we're gonna fix it. We're going to fix it. Okay, so let me just show you guys all the things that I'm going to be using beforehand. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. You guys know I use a lot of Darling products because they're really affordable and accessible. They might not be the best in terms of quality, but I mean, I have high hopes for this. It's just simply a braided bob, braided crochet kind of hair, so I don't think it can go wrong, right? So this is it's called Darling Braid Bob, and when I bought it, I think I bought it a couple of months ago. I think I did a whole video. I'll link it up here so you guys can see it. But when I bought it, it was 1,400 naira. So I bought 2 packs of it because I want my ponytail to be really full. And I also have this ponytail net with 2 combs already attached to this. I used this for a bun, I think, in the past. So I just took out the crochet hair, the hair that I crocheted on it, right? So I have my cap with 2 combs on it, right? So that's basically what I'm going to be using to do this hairstyle. I did this hairstyle in the past, but I didn't make the braids into an actual ponytail. I just attached it to my hair. You know, I'll link that video up here in case you're interested. So yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hair, actually, because it's going to be I don't know whether I say long term. I plan to keep it in for about 2 weeks, and my hair needs to be clean so that I don't run crazy during that 2-week period. So yeah, I'm going to go wash my hair. I'm going to be using Ziza's products. I'll be using Ziza's shampoo. I really like this shampoo. And for my conditioner, I'll be using Ziza's rice bran with green tea extract and wheat protein. I'm going to be using this. Before now, I used the lavender infused deep conditioner and I really loved it. I have high hopes for this product as well. So these are the 2 babies I'm going to be using for my wash day. I'll also be detangling my hair. I haven't done that in a couple of months, probably about 3 or 4 months. So I'll be detangling my hair. But yeah, let me go and wash my hair. Alright guys, so I am done and I'm covered in conditioner. My entire shirt is covered in conditioner. Honestly, detangling my hair is such a chore. My arms hurt. Okay, so I'm going to cover my head with a plastic bag. Should I just use nylon bag? No, let me use this one. This is all the hair that I lost after about 3 months of not using a comb. I figured that I could just make the braided ponytail now while I'm waiting for the conditioner to do its work. I will leave it in until I'm done making the braided ponytail. Then after that, I will go and rinse out my hair in the twist. That's what I do when the conditioner is in my hair. I just rinse it out in the shower. After that, I will apply my Ziza leave-in conditioner and the oil, and then I will let my hair dry for a bit, and then I will go to my braider for her to install the braids in my actual hair. Let's begin the process. I need to get out my mannequin head. Oh, so much stress. So I'm about to start, so I'm just going to position it over the back of my mannequin head. I have my crochet needle, and the hair we're going to be using, remember, it's the Darling braid bob. I got it because of the flip at the end. I really like the flip. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's start. I'm going to stick the needle into about 4 holes like that, and then take this little loop at the top and pull it through. And once we're through, you take the needle through the loop again and take it to the end of the braid, secure that and pull it through the loop, right, and then secure it in place. I hope that made sense, but this is basically it. So I'm going to leave reasonable spaces between each braid, just so it's not too bulky in one part. Under my tattoos, it's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, it's a remedy. This is what it looks like. This is inside the ponytail cap. It looks really good. So I'm going to go wash out my hair now, and I'll go put it in cornrows. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so today is actually Saturday. I started this video on Tuesday, but I couldn't complete it because when I got back from my hairstylist, I was so tired, and I could not picture myself completing the video. So I'm doing it today, which is Saturday, and my hair still looks really good. So I just got basic cornrows all going towards the center of my head. Here in Nigeria, we call this shuku. I'm actually noticing that she didn't put it directly at the middle of my head because it's like at one side, but it doesn't matter. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, this is our braided ponytail, and we're just gonna wear it now. So I'm going to brush up my edges. Excuse me. I'm going to brush up my edges a little bit. I hardly ever use gel, but I'm going out today, so I want my hair to be, really sleek. But yeah, I don't really use gel. I just brush it up with a comb, with a brush, sorry, my old toothbrush. But today, we're using gel. Alrighty, so once that's done, I'm going to gather all of my hair into a small bun. So I'm just going to twist the ends around themselves, like so, as small as possible, and then secure it with a hairband. Right, so now I'm taking my braided ponytail, right? So now I'm going to put this over my hair. So basically, I'm taking the 2 comb attachments. So I'm taking two of them and I'm going to stick them into the base of my ponytail. Now this might be a little tricky, especially if your braids are tight, but you get the hang of it. So I'm just going to stick it into the base of my ponytail. Now these combs are what will make sure that your ponytail is not going anywhere, right? So once that's done, I'm going to cover my bun with the ponytail cap and pull on the drawstring and then secure it in place. Like so. So it's secure. Now I'm going to take this drawstring and wrap it around the base of my hair to hide it. Right, and then I'm going to take a couple of braids, about 3 or 4, and wrap it around the base of the ponytail just to give it a seamless look. Then I will secure the ends where my bobby pins. My bobby pins are always running, but I'm going to secure the ends of the braids with bobby pins. Sticking the bobby pins into the ponytail for extra security. Now currently the ponytail is secure, but for extra security, I'm going to stick some bobby pins through the cap and into my braids, like so. And that's it, guys. That is it. We are done. We are done. And it looks so cute. Let me zoom out. And the little flip at the end, really cute. Look at it. So cute. So yeah, this is the finished look. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm late for my event. I actually think I'm going to vlog, but yeah, I'm late for my event, so I have to run now. But this hair is cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're going to be trying this hairstyle, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.